Hey, I want you to know, in Mexico, I had a good time. We drove down together, we had a little business in mind. And we got our divorce, all we had to do was just sign. But I want you to know, in Mexico, I had a good time. We had a sangria at a sidewalk cafe. It's so silly how we started to cry when the mandolins played. Then at the cantina, we danced until dawn. And when we stopped dancing, we just kept holding on. Oh, I want you to know, in Mexico, I had a good time. We drove down together, we had a little business in mind. Yeah, we got a divorce, all we had to do was just sign. But I want you to know, in Mexico, I had a good time. And that's when it happened, the craziest thing. We looked down and we were still wearing our wedding rings. And down at the hotel, you switched off the lights. We made love like we never loved in our lives. Hey, I want you to know, in Mexico, I had a good time. We drove down together, we had a little business in mind. Yeah, we got a divorce, all we had to do was just sign. But I want you to know, in Mexico, I had a good time. Hey, I want you to know, in Mexico, I had a good time. We drove down together, we had a little business in mind.
This dance is called In Mexico. It's a 32 counts, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. Starting with the right foot. Section 1, raises on the left. Right sachet on right, left, right. Back mambo step. Left foot rock back, recover onto right, step left to left side. Back mambo with a quarter left turn. Rock back on right, recover onto left, make a quarter left turn, stepping back on right, facing 9. Left coaster step, back together, forward. Section 2, right, rumba box 2 times. Right foot to right side, step together on left, step back on right. Step left to left side, step right next to left, step forward left. Repeat, right rumba box. Side together, back, side together, forward. Section 3, forward lock steps. Step forward right, lock step left behind right, step forward right. Chase turn, step forward left, pivot half turn right, weight onto right foot facing 3, forward left. Forward mambo, right foot rock, step forward, recover to left, step back on right. Back mambo, left, rock back, recover to right, step forward on left. Section 4, right side mambo, left side mambo. Rock step right to right side, recover way onto left, step together on right. Left, rock step to the left Rocking chair 2 times. Right foot rock forward, recover to left, rock back, recover to left. Repeat, rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Let's count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and